मॉन्ट्रा जी स्कूल में गुलबर्गा शहर का वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट साइंस एग्जीबिशन ऑर्गेनाइज किया। इसको वक्त देने के लिए आलमपुर पाटिल एमएलए साउथ कलबुर्गी यहां पर मौजूद रहे। खास बात इस इवेंट की रही कि 3rd स्टैंडर्ड से लेकर 8th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चों ने एक बहुत ही शानदार तरीके से अपने वर्किंग मॉडल्स को बताया। ये प्रोजेक्ट सिर्फ इंप्रेसिव ही नहीं थे बल्कि इनकी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इतनी ज्यादा थी, इतना अच्छे तरीके से डिजाइन किया गया था। ये देखते हुए बच्चों के पेरेंट्स और स्टाफ दोनों भी हैरान रह गए। हर स्टूडेंट के अंदर एक पैशन, डेडिकेशन नजर आया जो उन्होंने अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स को एक्सप्लेन किया बहुत ही डिटेल में और उसकी डीप अंडरस्टैंडिंग को उन्होंने हाईलाइट भी किया। एग्जीबिशन की खास बात ये रही कि कोलैबोरेटिव एफर्ट रहा सभी स्टूडेंट्स का स्कूल में, जो कि अलग अलग टीम्स में बटे हुए थे। करीब 150 प्रोजेक्ट्स डिस्प्ले किए गए थे और हर रूम डेडिकेट किया गया था स्पेसिफिक थीम को, जैसे कि एआई एंड रोबोटिक्स, मैथमेटिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, एनवायरमेंटल सेफ्टी, फिजिक्स और भी बहुत कुछ। जो थीमेटिक रूम्स थे इसके अंदर स्नो वर्ल्ड रूम, फॉरेस्ट रूम, ओशन रूम और ऑर्बिट रूम भी था, जो कि काफी डिटेल में एक बहुत ही अच्छी पहचान बनाया है इस एग्जीबिशन की। ये एग्जीबिशन ने सबकी इमेजिनेशंस कैच कर ली है। जैसे कि आप एग्जीबिशन में वॉक करते जाएंगे तो आप विटनेस करेंगे बच्चों के अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस। हर बच्चा अपने अपने पेरेंट्स को और टीचर्स को एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स, और पेरेंट्स की आंखों में जो इत्मीनान था वो देखते हुए मैनेजमेंट और स्टाफ बहुत ही खुश हुए। जी हाँ, फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड गुलबर्गा सिटी के अंदर ऐसा इवेंट रखा गया जहां पर स्कूल्स कमिटमेंट सिर्फ एजुकेशन नहीं बल्कि क्वालिटी एजुकेशन के साथ साथ एक्टिविटी बेस्ड लर्निंग भी दे रहा है मॉन्ट्रा जी स्कूल। ये साइंस एग्जीबिशन एक प्लेटफॉर्म रहा स्टूडेंट्स को एस्पायर होने के लिए, जैसे सीवी रामन, एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम, श्रीनिवास रामानुजन, ये सब लोगों से इंस्पायर होते हुए एक बिलीफ आ गई है बच्चों के माइंड्स में, जो आगे वाले वक्त में इनोवेशन और साइंटिफिक डिस्कवरी में काफी काम आता है। मॉन्ट्रा जी स्कूल कम्युनिटी ने एग्जीबिशन को ऑर्गेनाइज किया, साइंस एग्जीबिशन को, जो एक रिसाउंडिंग सक्सेस रहा। स्टाफ और मैनेजमेंट का काफी बड़ा रोल रहा इस साइंस एग्जीबिशन में और मॉन्ट्रा जी स्कूल को एक कदम आगे ले जाने में।
Welcome to Z-Gyan 2023, the education exhibition at Mount Literacy School, Kalaburgi.
ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲಬುರಗಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಈ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ನಂತರ ಈ ಕಲಬುರಗಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಿಂದ ಭಾಳ ವಂಚಿತರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ಭಾಗ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಗಳು, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳು, ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್, ITI, GTC ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು CBSE ಇವತ್ತೇನು ನಾನು ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಇದರ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಶರಣಸಿರಿಸಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯಿತಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಭರಣಿಯವರು ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಇದರ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮುದ್ರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಸ್ನೋ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗಂತ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಐಸ್ ಬೀಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗುಡ್ಡಗಾಡ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಹಿಮಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಘಟನೆ ಊಹೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿವಿಧ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂದಿರ್ತದೆ.
Our topic is a robot. A robot is a program morning everyone. My name is Arush Sharma from Grade 3 Explorer. Some robots are used to clean, some help with human work and other. That everyone explore places. One can't go easily. Robots are used in warrior fields. My name is Sarthak Mukherjee. Robots are friendly machines that help us in several tasks. They have made work faster and accurate. Robots are programmed by man. They can go to places where it might be too dangerous for humans to go, like exploring deep underwater or going into space. There are different fields where robots are used. Some of them are medical robots.
My name is Khalil Ahmed Patel. Today my topic for science exhibition is volcanic eruption. What is a volcano? A volcano is a mountain when molten rocks erupt to the surface. There are 1,500 active volcanoes on the earth. The largest volcano on the earth is Mauna Loa in Hawaii.
This is baking powder. We are taking this and 2 to 3 spoons of baking powder.
A little bit of orange food color.
And at the last we will put a little bit of vinegar.
Good morning everyone, myself Shreyas Murgi is here to present my model on the occasion known as Zidian. As you all know, there was a train accident held in Odisha, Mahanagar Bazar Bridge at 7:20 p.m. During this accident, there were 4 tracks, upline, downline, foreloop and downloop tracks. On downloop and uploop tracks, there were stationary bogie trains parked. Coromandel Express, which was coming from Bengal to Bombay, accidentally into the stationary parked trains. To stop this kind of accident, I made my model. My model name is Train Accident Prevention. This is the motor which should be attached in the trains. In case in any track, 2 trains are coming, the IR sense will detect it and the motor will stop working.
My name is Vaishnav. I am studying in grade 2 creator. I am an astronaut
Baswa of grade 8 Elementary want to introduce my topic healthy food. So before I start, I would like to say that a well-balanced diet includes a variety of nutrition which is essential for your health. It's also important for your portion size and to listen your body hunger and fullness of use.
Good morning everyone. I, Adarsh of grade 8 Inventor, going to explain about junk food. Junk food is an unhealthy food. It is a term used to describe that it is high in calories, sugar and fat. My plate contains sugary soft drinks, fried bread and sausage and breakfast pastries.
Good evening sir. I, Krishna Uni of grade 7 Explorer, would like to explain you about my healthy lunch plate. Before going to my plate, let us remember that we need approximate 500 to 700 calories each day, because it provides energy and nutrients to keep our body and brain working efficiently till the afternoon. So coming to my plate contains paneer salad, vegetable bowl, lemon rice, chapati and dal. Overall calories we get in this plate is 668 calories. Thank you.
I am Siddharth of grade 8 Inventor, want to introduce my plate, which is unhealthy plate. My unhealthy plate contains chana and masala, Manchurian, burger and fries. Overall in this plate, calories are 700 calories. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. So, I am Zoya Sheikh from Grade 8 Explorer. So, I am going to discuss about my healthy dinner. So, before we start, my plate contains 662 calories. In my plate, I have akhi roti with tomato curry, chana and vegetable stir fry and grilled tofu.
I, Atava of grade 8 Inventor, want to introduce my plate, which is an unhealthy plate. So my unhealthy plate contains deep fried potato and chips, creamy pasta and pizza. Overall calories we'll get from this plate is 1030 calories.
We require approximately 500 to 700 calories each day in our lunch. This plate contains 668 calories.
Number of calories we get from this plate, 500 gram. Number of calories we get from this plate is 700 gram.
Number of calories we'll get from this plate is 1030 gram.
Good morning everyone. So this is me, Joeri Amber and Sindra Shea from Grade 7 Explorer. So today we are here to explain you about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process in which plants prepare their own food in the form of glucose and the presence of carbon dioxide, sunlight, water and chlorophyll. Photosynthesis can be represented as carbon dioxide plus water, chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight, glucose plus oxygen.
So let me explain you. Iodine test is a test to determine the presence of starch in leaves. When the leaves are treated and processed with iodine, the change of the leaf color into blue-black, which means it is indicating the presence of starch. No color change, which indicates the absence of starch.
And our project name is Arduino Remote Control Car. When we hear about Arduino, in mind the question arises, what do you mean by Arduino? So Arduino means in which the surface data, hardware and software are called Arduino, and robot brain is also called Arduino. And our project is mainly a controlling car movement using mobile application.
Bluetooth control which I use in our project that are Arduino and HC05.
Agriculture for food. Supplying water from crops is called irrigation.
There are different kinds of technologies to conserve water.
We must conserve water during irrigation. Agriculture is a micro system of drip irrigation.
My name is Shraddha Malgi. I am from grade 5 Inventor. My school name is Mount Litran Z School. I am presenting here model of farmhouse. This is my farmhouse. This is the enter gate to go inside the farm. If we went into left side, we can see purple jasmine, and this is the vegetables, and this is the banana tree, and these flowers. The flowers are to decorate the home.
My name is Abdullah Subhan.
And my name is Sahil.
From grade 6 Inventor, our project name is Smart Village.
Let's take a tour of our smart village.
In our Smart Village,
My name is Pranavi Via from grade 5 Inventor. Our model name is Land Transport. Land transport is the transport or movement of people, animals or goods from one location to another on land. A significant amount of waste is also generated by land transportation. One of the most essential aspects of our daily lifestyle is land transport. Today I am here present to explain about balanced diet. Firstly, the balanced diet is a diet that contains an adequate quantity of the nutrients. There are some nutrients, i.e. fats, minerals, vitamins and carbohydrates and protein. Thank you, sir.
I am Manhaiba.
I am Mariam Fatima.
And I am Simra. We have made a wonderful model of lightning conductor.
So what is lightning conductor?
A conductor is a device which is fixed on the top of the building to protect the buildings from lightning damage.
What is positive and negative charge?
When an object has more protons than the electrons, it is negative charge. When an atom has more electrons than the protons, it is positive charge.
I am the father of Manna and Mahir, grade 5 Inventor. Today I have been to this Z Gnan exhibition which has been conducted by the Z Mount Litra school. They have done a great job. All the stalls are good, beautifully set up, and the children who are demonstrating and telling explaining everything, they have done a great job. And I congratulate the whole team, especially the director, the teachers, the principal and all the students for conducting such a wonderful exhibition which is actually need. And all the parents are coming, like myself, and all the parents are really enjoying the science exhibition which has been conducted. And once again, I would like to congratulate the Z team.
जी स्कूल में बच्चे जिस तरह से यहाँ पर पढ़ते हैं, जिस तरह से यहाँ पर उन्हें पढ़ाया जाता है, इतना अच्छे तरीके से बच्चों को पढ़ाया जाता है। मैंने यहाँ पर जब पर्सनली विज़िट किया, पर्सनली हमने जब बच्चों के साथ यहाँ पर वक्त बिताया, हमें पता चला कि यहाँ के टीचर्स वेल ट्रेंड नहीं, वेल क्वालिफाइड हैं। बच्चों को पढ़ाने का अंदाज़ इनका बहुत ही निराला है, बहुत ही यूनिक है। उसी के साथ, उसी यूनिकनेस को लेकर यहाँ के बच्चों ने 150, जहाँ तक मेरा अजम्पशन है, यानी कि कर्नाटक लेवल पे सबसे बड़ा ये एग्जीबिशन हुआ है जी स्कूल में, जहाँ पर बच्चों ने 150 प्लस प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाकर अपने आप को यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट किया है।
गुड मॉर्निंग, माई सेल्फ रवि कुमार एंड माई वाइफ अर्चना शापुरकर एंड माई डॉटर इज़ जानवी शापुरकर. She is studying in nursery class. Today exhibition conducted in G International School, G Mount Literna. It was a very good experience I had here.
I am Manish, principal of Mount Litra Z School, Kalaburgi. I am delighted to share about my science exhibition that is being held today at our school. The students have made such an innovative and creative projects. We have working models, we have a computer display. The student have created EZ School, eco-friendly Z School. What is his future of our school in showcasing about so many good concept rooms, like we are now standing in a ocean concept, which is so beautiful. You can see the pond which has been created, and the effort behind the children is excellent. Of course, we are having 4 concept rooms. One by one we'll show you. We have a forest room, we have a snow, and we have a fourth one is a space. So we are going to take you to 4 places. First one, here is we have an ocean, space, and excellent work done by our students here. Thank you very much. The main effort which has been done by our teachers, by our such a fantastic students, has been wonderful. And I am so much excited to share with you this exhibition which is being taking place in our school. So once again, my heartily wishes to my staff, to my teachers, and of course I would like to thank all the parents who are so much involved and presenting such a wonderful projects which have been come up. So thank you very much. Thank you very much to all of you.
Hello everybody, I am Sri Rupa Mukherjee, Principal, Middle Mount Litra Z School, Kalburgi. Science has always been a cornerstone of development in our society. And Z Gyan, the science exhibition at Mount Litra Z School, is our ode to science and development. Z Gyan would not have been possible without heartfelt participation of our students, parents, teachers, and of course the heads of the institution. As you can all see that we have tried to touch all the very different avenues of science and have tried to create real life experiences for all our viewers. Want to know more? Stay tuned.
It's indeed a pleasure and privilege on my part to be part of Science Fair in Mount Litra Z School, Kalburgi. My special thanks to Mr. Tahir Ali and Nasir Ali and all the members of the family who are brain behind this school and have been working hard to give quality education to the students of this area. Science fairs of this kind go a long way in giving innovative ideas to the students, teachers, government and society at large.
I'm so speechless because today Mount Litra Z exhibition, the science exhibition, I'm so speechless about all the projects what the students have made. Every project was a surprise for me, another project, because each and every student had worked so hard, and the teachers and the staff of Mount Litra is working so hard. I like the snow world, the aquarium world, all are so good, and I'm thanking Mount Litra for this, for giving the children so golden opportunity, for just showing their innovations. And thank you Mount Litra for this, and I hope in future also you'll take this initiative. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Go Hash. Like, share and subscribe our channel.